Okay, so today we're going to talk about how to automate some of your status changes in the Ultimate Custom Order Status app in Shopify. So this app allows you to create and manage custom statuses in Shopify. In the case, like, let's say you have a custom production chain and you have like order placed, preparing, ready, delivered. This will allow you to do all these while informing your customers along the way. Okay, so how this works is that basically you have a few options to do this. Um, the main way to do this is you want to decide which status you want to be assigned automatically. There's a few conditions you can do. So, how this works is that you start by going into the statuses and workflows page. You decide which status you want to be, let's say, automatically placed or automatically changed for you. So, in our case, let's say we're going to use order placed here. So all you have to do is go into edit status, and then you go all the way down to Shopify integration. Okay, so in Shopify integration right here, this is how you set up the automation. So one of the few things you can set to say like when you receive the order, you want to update to the status immediately. So this would be helpful for, let's say, the order place status. But let's say you have more advanced conditions as well, so we can do that. Like you can affect Shopify as well by marking the order as fulfilled. It can be applied when from the other way around. When the order is fulfilled, we're gonna apply the status. Or let's say you have tags you want to add. Okay, so this is how this works. You can apply based on custom conditions or tags or other stuff. So once it chooses, you go and add a rule. You can combine multiple rules together to run more complex logic. Um, as you can see, there's a few here like line item or a few more other stuff like that. A tag. You can even add tags to an order. So in our case, let's say we're gonna apply this when an order tag matches. Okay, and then you choose your match type. So only all of these tags or any of these tags. So any of these tags, let's say we're gonna add this for when the order is like medication. That's the tag we're gonna add, and that's it. Once you do that, you just hit save, and there you go. And then after this, you can do for each status. Let's say you have another tag for preparing, ready, or delivered, and from this way you can automate a lot of your order placement or the status changes. But I would recommend setting these up one by one and then having a run because automation can very quickly spin out of control. So, so that's how I would do it. You would manually change the statuses one by one, but once you do need automation, you set one status at a time and have a run at it. Okay, and the other way is using APIs. Yeah, we also support that. So how this works is I go into settings right here, and then you go all the way down to API keys, and you can create an API key, and we have docs here that show you how to implement this. So this is in the case if you have a more advanced system outside of Shopify, outside of the app, and that system can send information to the app to update statuses or receive information once we have that implemented, once you have that released at a later date. You can also do all that stuff as well. And so that sums it up pretty much. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for your time.